Vivo S2 will feature a curved front and back with a clean and minimalistic look. The images show a handset with a matte black, white and rose gold color. A vertical camera module tucked in the top left corner, with a light ring around it. The Vivo S2 will launch in India on August 6th, with sales expected to begin on August 11th. The device will be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 7360 processor, include 8GB RAM with either 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. A 50MP Sony main sensor with 8MP ultrawide, a 32MP selfie camera. The Vivo S2 is tipped to feature a 6.83-inch curved AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It is also tipped to pack a 7050 mAh battery with support for 44W fast charging. The Vivo S2 with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage will carry a launch price of between 40,000 Indian rupees and 45,000 Indian rupees. The tipster adds that the handset will have a box price of 66,999 Indian rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.